Hey, let me show you how you can create your own ringtones on the Nothing Phone 2A. So all you have to do is just to basically be connected to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, then go into the settings, and now from this you have to actually go into the Glyph interface. And now you have to scroll down and move into the Composer, and you will be actually redirected automatically into the Google Play Store, where you have to get the Glyph Composer application, this one. When you download it, you have to simply open it. And now I can recommend you to click right here and check all of this default sound packs. If you, in my case, this one is actually the most good. I mean, this one actually sounds the best. So I like this one the most for the fantasy. Then go back from this one, and now you can find these buttons. So if you want to start recording, just click here and go with your pattern. And then you can click finish and check how it sounds. After this, you can just save it by clicking here, give it the name, tap save. And after this, when we go into the settings, the sound and vibration, and go into the phone ringtone, as you can see, we can find the Glyph Composer sounds. So you can set it up, and that's all. Right now, please subscribe.